Now, in the book, The Anxious Generation, the author gives two different analogies of why it's so important for us to allow our children to take developmentally appropriate risks and not overprotect them. And the first analogy he gives is with trees, that in order for trees to grow properly, and for them to be able to withstand just the natural elements that they're going to be exposed to, they need wind in order to properly grow. That what happens is when wind is blowing, wind bends trees, and this bending tugs on the roots and it compresses the wood in their trunks. The roots then respond to this tugging by expanding and providing a firmer anchor for the trees. When trees grow in a greenhouse, and they grow for most of their life in a greenhouse, and then they're transplanted out in the real world, they often fall over within the first few months simply from their own weight. Because in the greenhouse, they have not experienced any wind tugging against them. So therefore, their roots have not expanded and grown deeper, and their wood inside of their trunk has not compressed. So often, they're planted outside and then they fall over simply because of their own weight. And the author makes this connection to children. And he says that similar to how trees need wind to grow properly, to be able to support themselves, our children need to experience frequent minor stressors in order to become strong adults. But when we send our children this message that the world around them is a dangerous place and they need our protection, they're not growing deep roots. They're not becoming strengthened by small disappointments. And then when a disappointment happens, they just crumble. They become anxious. They develop mental health issues.